Today we will take a look on oil system of CFM56-5B, which is installed on Airbus A320, and exactly on the system which help us to monitor if there are particles in oil system. So let's take a look at it. Oil distribution is done on the jet engine thanks to lubrication unit, especially on this CFM56-5B. On it you can find filter, backup filter, screens, and master chip detector. And this video will be mainly about master chip detector, because this is the first indication for us that in the oil we have metallic particles. The important is to mention that it is quite low, so you don't open the fan coils every day, but what you open every day is that hatch up there. That's a hatch through which you refill the oil, and on this airplane you're refilling the oil on everyday base. And directly next to it you have this little box up here, and this box is connected to master chip detector. And whenever we have particle contamination, it will, let's say, make a bridge between two parts of that chip detector, which will trigger the information, or it will send the signal to master chip remote indicator. Once that happens, the red indicator will pop, and whenever you will refill the oil next time, you will get it in your view, and you know that you need to take some action. And today we need to test this function, so let's start. Okay, first of all, we need to wake up the airplane, because we need to have a 28-volt DC. So and basically we need to be sure that FADEC 1 and 2, in this case FADEC 1 is off, and yeah, the engines are switched off, which they are, so we can move to the engine and we can pull out the master chip detector. Here is our master chip detector on the lubrication unit for the engine, and this device will basically tell us if there is any magnetic particle. As you can see, our is completely clean, there is nothing. This is one of the way of defense. Then we have also screens down here. I already explained the function in one of my previous videos, so take a look, link will be in description or in the top right corner. Anyway, as you can see, there is nothing on it. It's completely clean, no particles. And to, let's say, activate the indicator or remove the indicator, we need to bridge this to part of the indicator. For that we need to switch on the airplane, because we need 28-volt DC, as I said. And now basically all we need to do, we need to bridge these two parts. Since this is post SB, we need to bridge it for more than 40 seconds, and that should trigger pop-out indicator to actually pop up there. But I'll show you as well. So once you're holding, and it pops here. So test pass. We can reset the pop-out indicator. Why the indicator is actually here on this position? The reason for that is that whenever you refilling the oil, it is in your view. I'll show you later on when we close the fan coil how it looks, but basically it is in your view range, and whenever you're refilling the oil, you should always check this pop-out indicator, which is here to give us information that there are some particles on master magnetic chip indicator, and then we need to go through the whole procedure to search for the cause. So you need to check the filter, you need to pull out the screens, you need to find where these particles are coming from. But since we have no problems, we can close everything. And since this pass, we can switch off the airplane and we can put everything back, which means that we need to replace the O-ring and put master chip detector back. But before that, my colleague needs to take a look at it, because master chip detector is critical task, so it requires duplicate inspection. So pull the old O-ring away. I'm gonna destroy it. So here you have a proof that we basically discard it, and we need to install the new one. I need to lubricate it and then we can install it, but first my colleague needs to take a look at it. Dobra, namazaný je. Jdeme dnu. Červená, červená. With fan cowl closed, this is how it looks when you need to refill the oil. So you just open this service door over here, and through this place you will refill the oil. And as you can see, your remote pop-out indicator is up there, so it's really directly in vicinity of a refilling port, and that's how we can really easily recognize that we have some particles inside of the oil system. Okay, that's all about this topic. If you want to know how open and close fan cowls, there is completely separate video about it, so click in the top right corner or you will find in the description below. As always guys, I would like to ask you to don't use this as a replacement for your maintenance manual, but always use latest documentation released by manufacturer. Big thanks to Ocean Airlines that they let me record all these videos for you. Big thanks to each and everybody who watching, and especially to members. That's all from my side. My name is Tomáš, this was Aircraft Maintenance with Zeto, and I will see you on next video. Bye.